All right, today we're going to sharpen 5 pocket knives, and we're going to use what I think is probably the best little tool for sharpening pocket knives. It's the Kin Onion, Work Sharp Kin Onion with grinding attachment. And I'm going to use a 120 belt, a 200, a 600, and a leather strop to do these pocket knives really quick. I did touch up all the serrations on the Scotch-Brite wheel, and so we're going to test it on some 3/8 inch rope. Let's see if it cuts good, and it does. The serrations don't cut great. Let's try this one with no serrations. This should cut really well. I just don't have enough strength in my arms here. Cuts great. Do another one. Let's do this one. That cut great. Last one. Whoop, slipped off. There we go. Let's try that again. Let's see how good that cut. Pretty good. Just cheap pocket knives.